Hola, ¿qué tal? Yo soy señor Velas y en este video vamos a hablar de adverbios en español. Antes de empezar, les quiero mostrar algo que es un poco cómico. El otro día yo encontré una tarjeta de vocabulario de español 1 y en un lado dice fácil. Al otro lado dice hard. Pues cuando estás escribiendo el vocabulario o tarjetas de vocabulario, tengan cuidado porque si escriban algo incorrectamente así, probablemente van a sacar una mala nota. Pues ten cuidado. So we're looking at adverbs in this video. This won't be too long and it'll actually be pretty easy. Adverbs are like adjectives except for they modify a verb. That's why they're called adverbs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to form them. So basically we can take an adjective and then we're going to turn it into an adverb. In English, these are words like quickly, slowly, strangely. We're going to be kind of doing the ly of Spanish. This is how it works. If you have an adjective like typical, it ends in an O. If I want to make it typically, we got to do two things. One, we change that O to an A, so put it into its feminine form, típica. And then we're going to add the ly of Spanish, which is mente. So típicamente, típicamente would be typically. If you have one, I'll give you another one. If you have the word desafortunado, so unfortunate, I want to make it unfortunately, same thing. Change it to its feminine form, desafortunada. Add mente, desafortunadamente is unfortunately. If you have a word that ends in an L, an adjective ends in an L, like especial, special, you just have to add the mente to it. So especially would be especialmente. If you have one that ends in an E, frecuente, the feminine form is the same in Spanish. So frecuente, you just add mente to it, frecuentemente, for frequently. I'll give you two more. If you have one that ends in a consonant, like fácil, easy, like say easily, just add the mente, fácilmente. And then lastly, another one of these, rápido, for quick, put it to its feminine form, add the mente, rápidamente. And these work just like they would in English. For example, yo corro rápidamente, so I run quickly. Or típicamente me ducho por la mañana, so typically I shower in the morning. They work pretty much exactly the same, or yeah, they work the same. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adjectives, and I want you to change them to adverbs for me really fast. So once they're up on the screen, pause the video, write them down, and then I'll tell you what they would be. So here come these 6 adjectives: normal, lento, reciente, feliz, tranquilo, y raro. So change those to adverbs, and then make sure you get them right. Go ahead. Okay, so what you should have is normalmente, lentamente, recientemente, felizmente, tranquilamente, y raramente. I just asked you a couple questions with a couple of these just to make sure you understand the placement of them in your answers, and that'll be it. So let's go. ¿Caminas lentamente o rápidamente? ¿Caminas lentamente o rápidamente? Probablemente yo camino lentamente. Yo camino lentamente. Vamos a... Cuando... ¿Qué haces frecuentemente por la noche? ¿Qué haces frecuentemente por la noche? Pues frecuentemente yo miro un programa de televisión, tal vez. Y uno más, ¿qué haces normalmente por la mañana? ¿Qué haces normalmente por la mañana? Bueno, para mí, normalmente yo como desayuno, yo me ducho, me pongo la ropa, yo me preparo para la escuela. So that's about it. It's just a lot like English as far as placement goes. If it ends in an O, the adjective, change it to an A, add mente. If it ends in a consonant, just add mente. If it ends in E, just add the mente, and you have your adverb. Pretty simple. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks.